I'm excited. Like, honestly, I am loving my hair right now. When I say I'm loving my hair, I'm loving my hair. For the longest time, I had like, I was, I enjoyed my natural hair journey, but my hair was just upsetting me, if that makes sense. Like, I was happy I was doing the natural hair journey. I was enjoying it. Obviously, I love doing hair, so it's like a big part of me. So I always admire people's hair. So my hair, like if you can see, like more than half of my hair is out, right? But it doesn't look like full, right? Like my hair is long, but it's not full. So when it's out, it doesn't, like I confuse the density of it, no, like the volume of it. I consider the volume of it as it being that my hair is growing, like my hair is healthy for the longest time. My reason being because like I'm not trying to talk bad on anyone or anything, but a lot of natural hair YouTubers hair that's long is usually like long and thick and full and everything. So that's what I have been used to seeing when it comes to hair. But my hair, it's thin. Like my hair is long. I have very nappy hair, but it's thin compared to other people, like other African people, if that makes sense. Like one strand of my hair is actually very light compared to other people's. Like if I hope that makes sense. Anyways, but I've learned to understand that, you know what, your hair not being thick and full is like doesn't mean you're not taking care of it, because you are, and I take care of my hair. Everyone knows that. It just simply means that it's genetic, which it is. My mom's hair thin, my grandma's hair thin, so like it's just passed on to me. Unlike my sister who took my dad's family side hair, her hair is like freaking full and thick and everything. Like literally she can cut her hair today, and if she decides to grow it back by December, the length of my hair and my hair will be the same thing. It'll be freaking the same thing, or even longer. And does she take care of her hair as much as I take care of mine? I'm trying to crochet or anything. No, she doesn't. But some people's hair is just like that. It's just about, it's just like everything else in life. Some have to work harder than others, and I guess in a way kind of balances out itself. Anyways, that was a lot of talk for an introduction. I am currently unraveling the twist that I put on my hair last night. I know I said I was gonna make this hair video on Thursday based on the wash hair video I did, but today's Wednesday. You know what? I just got back from work and I'm not as tired as I thought I was gonna be. So I'm like, you know what? You might as well start it now. So even though you don't finish today, at least you won't have to do it all tomorrow. Okay. Oh, I guess I didn't see down there. Okay. That's actually great for me. I'm talking about my dress. It's like all buttoned, so as I'm sitting down, the button is opening. But it's a cute dress, you know. You know what? Let me show it off. This is better. It's not the best, you know, but I try to do the best I can. So this is the dress. I have my waist trainer on. That's why like here looks a little bit weird. But you know, that shape is coming in though. It's coming in though. So yeah, that's how I'm like, when I said, oh, I'm glad they couldn't see me, it's because of this. As I sit, it opens up. But now you guys probably will be able to see that. Let me see. Let's see. A little, yes, no, it's fine. Okay, so we're getting back into my hair. I don't know how hair went to that. So I took out my twist. Okay, so when I twist my hair yesterday, it's still a little bit like, it's dry, but it's not crispy dry. it's not dry to the point that I need to put water, because I did put water in my hair this morning. That's why I say if you're leaving your natural hair out, try to put water on it once a day, like just sprinkle it through. So this morning before going to work, I did sprinkle water on it so it's not dry. And yesterday when I was twisting it, I did add aloe vera gel on it, so it already has like products. It's not good to put in too much product. So all I'm just going in with right now is shea butter. Nigerian people say ori, because from the Yoruba people, so they say ori. So I'm just rubbing it all through my hair from the roots, and at the same time I'm also massaging my scalp. And then make sure the tip of your hair gets a lot of oil, because it's the end, right? So it needs more nutrients than every part of the hair. Doesn't mean every part of the hair doesn't need it, but it's just that underneath, yeah. Like, I don't know if you guys can like see what I talk about with my hair. Like, it's like really thin, like it's thin. Anyways, so now I'm just gonna comb through it. So I'm gonna do that to the rest, and we're going to get into the hairstyle. About, I'll say 30 to 35 minutes to actually part it properly and neat. So when you're parting your hair, take your time, like make sure you have time to do it. Reason why I'm not going to do the wool in this part, there'll be a part 2, which is what I'll do, the actual braids I want to do with wool, short, my hairlet. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do it tomorrow, which is fine because I said I was going to do my hair Thursday anyways. So I'm just preparing today, Wednesday, for it tomorrow. So I'm just going to twist my natural hair, which is also a good way to protect your hair, retain length and retain moisture. So I'm just going to twist it because I already put them in elastic bands, right? So I'm just gonna go in and start twisting. I would like to spray water on it before I twist it, but I'm too lazy to go get the water. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna twist it, and then before I go to bed tonight, I am just gonna take my spray bottle and just spray it all through it, because it's still gonna get on it anyways. Spray it all through it and then massage my scalp while you're doing that. And then tomorrow all I need to do is stick it out and then just do my braids. Like, don't add anything to it because it already has enough product in it as it is right now. So tomorrow I'm just gonna do it, and if it's like really dry, because like I said, outside is really hot right now, when I'm taking it out, if I notice that's like crispy dry and not like nutrition dry, if that makes sense, then if I feel like it's my hair is dehydrated, yeah, let me put it like that, that makes sense. If I feel it and it feels dehydrated, because when your hair is really dehydrated, it's gonna feel like crispy dry. It's gonna feel like you put a hair straightener through it. And if you didn't do that, then you need to water it up. And what I'm starting to learn to do now is when you're twisting, when you're braiding, sometimes the hair under gets knotty. So you don't want to keep on doing your style and continue. So what you do is just take your finger and then just go through in. And then that will open it up if there's like any knots or anything. And then just twist. So that'll be part 2 of this. Okay, oh, see, I was about to be like, okay, voila, but I ain't done. I ain't done. I ain't done. I just have that feeling like, you know, when the edges is in your hair, and then you're so sure it's the last one, and then you finish that one, you're about to get up, and then you're pouring another one, when you pull out another hair, and you're like, what? Yeah. I just experienced that feeling by myself, to myself. Okay, now I'm done. I apologize guys that I made this video also two-part. Like, I really want to make it as detailed as possible. That's why I'm doing this. And honestly, I'm so tired right now. I do not want to do my hair right now. It is almost 6 p.m. and I had work this morning from 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. and I've been up since 4 a.m. and I would like to work out today before I go to bed. So I will make the part 2 of how I actually do the braids with wool or with what's the other name again? See, it's spaced out. Wool, yarn with wool, yarn, whatever. So I will be doing that video tomorrow, so that will be the part 2 of this one, so watch out for it. Remember, comment, like, subscribe, share, suggestion below, and I appreciate everyone that's following me. I am almost at 100 followers, so thank you guys. I really appreciate it. Every followers count, because the more the number, the more it spreads. So thank you guys. Ooh. And you can actually rock this. This is another way of style to retain length and to retain moisture. But I did say that before I go to bed tonight, I will put water on it. I'm gonna come closer. Like, do you guys see the part? Like, it's not the neatest, but it's still neat. So that's why it took me about like 30 minutes just to part everything. So tomorrow I literally just need to unravel and braid. Thank you guys. Okay, yeah, so I took off my waist strainer because that was killing me, but I hope you guys can see me. Ooh, let me come back. Oh yes, you can. See, like the shape is there. The waist trainer is just gonna enhance it. For those people who want to talk shit and be like, her body's only nice because of the waist trainer, it's not just because of the waist trainer, honey. It's called hard work by working out and eating clean for the most part.